Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. The crypto space is experiencing a period of tremendous progress. The UK has introduced a new bill to Parliament in an effort to define the legal position of cryptocurrencies. Our property bill is here as well. Cryptocurrency, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, digital art, carbon credits, and other forms of digital holdings are now able to be legally recognized as personal property according to legislation that was introduced in Parliament today. For the cryptocurrency industry in the UK, this basically means that there will soon be tremendous regulatory clarity. And as previously mentioned, this is essential for digital assets like XRP to reach high prices and for cryptocurrency as a whole to gain widespread acceptance. Being one of the first nations to acknowledge these assets is crucial, and the bill will also guarantee that Britain keeps its pole position in the developing global crypto race. Legally, some nations have begun to see the revolutionary possibilities and risks posed by digital currency. So, nations are rushing to establish crypto regulations and crypto-related legislation as they compete for a piece of the cryptocurrency pie. The United States, however, is falling behind the rest of the world in this regard. Rather than regulating and assisting crypto businesses and the industry as a whole, the SEC is actively working to undermine the sector. When it came to the law, owners of digital goods had a lot of leeway because they weren't sure whether their possessions were covered by English and Welsh property rules. Owners and businesses will be better protected from fraud and scams thanks to the new law. We offer digital asset insurance and assist courts with complicated situations involving the distribution of digital holdings or foreign parts of settlements. Take divorce cases as an example. With the SEC, we have the most recent updates. We have a statement from SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce criticizing the agency's strategy regarding SABR. So, the SEC is still going after the cryptocurrency business, and SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce is just making noise but doing nothing to stop it. So, Hester Pierce is on par with Gary Gensler in terms of badness, and despite industry worries, the SEC is still backing SAB 1-1. In a nutshell, Rule 1-1 prohibits banks from acting as custodians of digital assets for their customers. And this is a serious issue since it means that digital assets are only held by a handful of trusted entities. If any one of these entities is hacked, for instance, the majority of Bitcoin ETFs held by other funds will be compromised as well. Attempts have been made by North Korea to hack US spot Bitcoin ETFs. As a result, more banks will get involved with digital assets and hold cryptocurrencies, and the widespread adoption of digital assets will increase after SAB is repealed. Thus, basically, the SEC is using SAB 121 to block widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies, but once Trump's return and the allure of SAB 121 become apparent, we should witness cryptocurrencies going absolutely parabolic. Our CEO has predicted that Bitcoin's price will explode once US banks are able to custody collateralized Bitcoin. Bitcoin, he adds, poses a threat to American security. The chief executive officer of MARA, FRE Thiel, has stated that the United States must continue to be the undisputed leader in Bitcoin mining and the ownership of Bitcoin assets by American corporations. As a result, businesses like ours will likely start holding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and we'll all start keeping an eye on the markets. The cryptocurrency market was falling this morning, but thankfully, it has already recovered nicely. Bitcoin has recovered to $57,000, with Solana at $132, up from $130. The current price of Ethereum is $2,340, while XRP is 53 cents. Big things are on the horizon for Ripple. We had a 33 number, and we have the most. Recent information from Ripple and the Fed on 333. By the way, our 6th annual Ubri Connect is currently taking place in Zurich, quite intriguing timestamp, and we're thrilled to have a number of distinguished speakers and prominent schools in attendance. With affiliations at Georgetown Law, ANU College of Law, Nova School of Business and Economics, National University of Singapore, and Cointelegraph. XRP, the Distributed Ledger Technology, Delft University of Technology, and University College London. Another major event that Ripple has hosted is the Frankfurt School of Management and Finance, And that's not all, Ripple is also hosting an event in Miami, called the Ripple Full Event. Rupture's location is in our possession. The location is the FINA Forum at 3300 Collins Avenue in the FINA District in Miami Beach, Florida, USA, and the phone number is 3311. Once again, we've already established that the 1% adore the 33 number. The 49th Token Conference, which Ripple is a part of, is scheduled to take place in Singapore from September 18th to the 19th. Ripple was founded by Google, an early investor. One elite firm that has adopted XRP is Google. Companies like Google own XRP and Bitcoin. BlackRock tokenizes funds on our checks. A Ripple partner, JP Morgan, will be present at the Token 2049 event, and HSBC is another Ripple partner that uses the Medico's platform for assets. Additionally, Ripple owns Medico, with yet another major event taking place, featuring notable figures from various industries such as Google, Alibaba, Microsoft, Binance, Fireblock, Solana, Lido, Polygon, Tether, Tunsway, Ripple, Avalanche, Fidelity, HSBC, BlackRock, JP Morgan, Vana, Coolcoin, Standard Charter, and many more. It is clear that Ripple is becoming an indispensable tool for digital asset custody for HSBC. Ripple has some major names, which is fantastic. King Karen concludes with a reasonable bull run prediction for cryptocurrencies from 2024 to 2025, with Bitcoin reaching $120,000, Ethereum at $10,000, Flare at 80 cents, HBAR at $1 XDC 80 cents, and XRP trading at $15. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.